Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you purchase iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max. So this video is very important for you. In this video we will see which one is the best video setting for camera in iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Currently I am recording this video in iPhone 16 Pro Max in cinematic mode, 4K and 60 frames per second clarity. So you can understand which types of clarity we are receiving. Apart from this video, we will see which is the best setting for iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So now let's start demonstration in the same mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply first of all, you need to open the setting, and after that you select simply here in the camera app. Before change setting, we can go here simply in the camera. So camera point of view, this is a cinematic mode, and here top of the screen 4K HD, two option we are receiving, and here 30, 24, 25 frame per second. I always use the 4K and 25 if I record cinematic, because of some, if you record some in light, so the light blur is not showing here, so that one. Next one is a slow motion. So as a slow motion point of view, always you record 4K and 120 frames per second, and after that you receive the result. That result is really amazing. Here the video I must be prefer in 4K and 120 frames per second. So how to fix this setting and how many settings you need to change, a little bit we will see. So now we can enter here in the setting option. Here important points come here as a video perspective, record setting. The iPhone are providing you bunch of setting here, so you can select one of them. But as my point of view, if you use iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, so by default you can fix your setting is a 4K at 120 frames per second. You can always record, and after that you receive outstanding features and outstanding result after using this one. If you record some video in light, so you should select this one 4K at 100 frames per second PAL. Your recording is not coming blur, but as a daylight point of view, you by default select this one. After that you should select the show PLA format always on, enable stabilization, action mode, HDR video, auto frame per second. So by default this one, white lock white balance enable. So this is one of the best setting. Go back, and here slow motion point of view also they are introducing two more. If you record as a inside the light, so you select this one. Otherwise you should record as a 4K 120 frames per second. Next one is a record cinematic mode. If you record cinematic videos, here also I provide you two options. You go either, otherwise this one is a fixed one. If you recording with the light, so you should use this one. Without light you should use this one, and daytime. Apart from the video, here spectral audio. Previously we are receiving stereo and mono, but this year they are introducing in spectral audio. You select this one, and after that if you enable this feature spectral audio, so this feature is by default comes in after recording this next time video. So this feature is activated here in audio mix feature. And one of the important setting comes here inside the format. Here the camera capture is high efficiency in most compatibility. If you go with high efficiency, after that you are not receiving as a camera point of view filter is vivid filter is available. If you are not receiving vivid filter in your recorded picture or video, so you should go here in most compatibility. That after that you can very easily receive this feature also in filter. So vivid filter, you can enhance your video quality or picture quality, but that point of view you need select most compatibility. So those are the important setting if you use iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Hope you like this. If you really like this video quality setting, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.